Hey guys, Namaskar and Bonjour and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to share how you can get a PR in France, that's permanent residency in France. So stay tuned. And guys, make sure to watch the complete video because at the end of this one, I'm going to answer your questions which you have been posting on Instagram and in the videos, in the past videos. Permanent residency allows you and permits you to stay and live in the specific country permanently, and it is valid up to 10 years and which can be renewed as other type of visas as well. Now we are going to discuss about what are the conditions जिस basis पे you can apply and you can get a PR in France. So the first one is getting admission in a master degree, MS1, MS2, MBA from a reputed French university, public university or a business school. And as you all know by now that your college or your school or university, it should be RNCP certified or should be under CGE, that is a Grande École certifications. If you have a master degree from any of this, that is definitely the first condition which you fulfill to apply for PR. The second condition is we have to get APS, and as you all know by now that Indians के लिए 2 साल का वीज़ा है. It is only for Indians. We have a job search visa for 2 years. Rest all of the international students, others, it is only for 1 year. Third one is the most important and little difficult for us and for some people. So which is finding a job, finding a CDI, which is contract duration indefinite, which pays you minimum 1.5 times of the SMIC. The SMIC in France is 1,560 euros approximately. So 1.5 times hoga around 2,280 euros. This is the basic requirement. For example, if your salary is more than 24,000 euros for a year, then you can actually think for applying for a citizenship, a PR in France. But one of the most important condition is still left. What is that? Let's find out. And the last one. So this one is one of the most difficult, you can say, but not difficult compared to other countries like in Australia या Canada. वहाँ पे point system होता है, but France में point system नहीं होता है. यहाँ का रूल एक्चुअली बहुत सिंपल है. आप मास्टर्स करने आए हो, आप पढ़ाई करो, जॉब सर्च वीज़ा लो, जॉब करो, टैक्सेस भरो, टैक्सेस ज़रूर भरिए. डू पे टैक्सेस इवन इफ़ यू आर ऑन अ स्टूडेंट वीज़ा, on APS visa, you are working part-time or whatever. If you are in France, you are an international student, please pay the tax. Even if it is like zero, your income is zero, you should pay the tax. You should do the income tax return every year. I'm going to share a video very soon for how to pay tax in France for everyone who wants to come here and who don't know how to pay the tax, from where to get the form, and so many other questions. So we'll come back to that in another video. So as I said, the most important, which is French language speaking, listening, comprehension skills and writing skills. तो आपका फ्रेंच मिनिमम B1 लेवल होना ही चाहिए. Like it is the minimum requirement. मोस्टली B2 होता है, बट अगर आप B1 पे भी हो, यू मोस्टली अंडरस्टैंड सो मैनी थिंग्स. लाइक आपको डे टू डे कन्वर्जेशन समझ में आएगी. आप न्यूज़ सुनोगे तो आपको न्यूज़ समझ में आनी चाहिए. एंड यू शुड गेट एन ओवरऑल knowledge about how France functions, what are the rights and regulations, rules and laws, etc. ये सब भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. So there are many things. It is not just कि French class आपने पढ़ ली and you are done. They will ask you why you want to stay here, and they ask questions in French and you have to respond in French. Of course, you want to apply for a permanent residency, French तो आनी ही चाहिए, otherwise क्यों, right? So not only French classes are important, overall about the country is as much important as speaking French. अब ये तो condition हो गई. The next question is how much time it takes. So let me tell you, it takes almost a year to process the whole documentation. It takes time because all the documentation has to be checked, verified properly, because at the end the government is going to give a 10-year card to the foreigner. So they have to go through with each and everything and have to make sure that उनसे कोई गलती नहीं हो रही है, you see. So they take time. इस topic से related there is one question which comes, that is, if you are married to a French person, you can of course apply for a PR. I have many friends actually who tell me and who suggest me to get a French husband or a French boyfriend, because first it improves your French language speaking skills, listening skills, understanding skills, everything, and second you get the papers, and third you fall in love, and fourth you carry on with your life. So ये भी है. And if you are a parent or child of a French citizen, that is obviously you can apply for a PR. But of course जो conditions है वो रहती हैं, not everything, not masters, not getting APS, not salary, but at least your French language skills should be good, because the interview happens in French and they ask a lot of questions about the France culture, France, everything about France in French. So you have to be able to answer all of those questions. So these were the main conditions for applying for PR in France, permanent residency in France. तो ये सब चीज़ें, बाकी और भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, आई नो. आप कमेंट करिए, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे भी पूछ सकते हैं, एंड आई विल ट्राई टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू देम एज सून एज पॉसिबल. एंड यस, one thing I remembered, I have seen some videos on PR in France, because I was also searching about that, and I came across to some videos where APS is considered as PR. Nahi, APS is not PR. APS, it is an authorization to work, to try to search work in France. Okay, APS is not permanent residency or temporary residency. APS is a work search visa. Okay, so guys, now we come to the question and answer session, and the first one is from Prince Kumar. Yes, IFA is a good option to choose for and to go for fashion related and management and luxury related courses. You can definitely go. Second one is from Jagrup Kohri. आपने पूछा है कि 12th के बाद आप कैसे आ सकते हो. आप बैचलर्स करने आ सकते हो, डायरेक्ट मास्टर्स तो नहीं हो सकता है. आप बैचलर्स करने आ सकते हो और आपके परसेंटेज एटलीस्ट 55-56% से ऊपर होना चाहिए, और मेक श्योर कि आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी होनी चाहिए एटलीस्ट. ये चीज़ें बेसिक है, और आप यहाँ आ सकते हो. बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस हैं जहाँ पे आप बैचलर्स ट्राई कर सकते हो. एंड टुडेज लास्ट question we will take from Muhammad Ali. You have asked which one is the best for purchase and supply chain management. Let me tell you, here in France, this supply chain, purchase, luxury, fashion, international business, marketing, these all are the courses which you can come for in France, and mostly all of the business schools which are very high ranked, they are very good for it. And very reputable as well. So कहीं भी आप जाओगे, स्टडीज़ का जो लेवल है, it is very good. You already know about HEC Paris, you know about INSEAD, you know about Lyon, there is Audencia भी अच्छा है, it is coming up, like उसका रैंक 3 या 4 रैंक अप हो गया है in 2021, ये है. And then there is Sketch Business School, there is Schema Business School. There are schools in other cities in France as well, तो आप वो options भी check करिए. You know, it's not like कि आप पेरिस में ही आइए. I know Paris is like a hub, you get jobs easily, you get internship easily, but दूसरी भी cities हैं where you can try these options, because कोई नहीं सोचता है about other cities too much. They just think like नहीं, पेरिस में ही रहेंगे, will find a job and all. तो दूसरी cities भी है like ESC Clermont-Ferrand. So Clermont-Ferrand भी एक सिटी है, ब्यूटीफुल सिटी है, एंड उधर का जो स्कूल है ESC Clermont-Ferrand, इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी रेप्यूटेबल और काफ़ी अच्छी रैंकिंग है. फीस भी उसकी ज़्यादा नहीं है, एंड इट इज़ आई थिंक 3 or 3.5 hours फ्रॉम पेरिस. तो अगर आप वहाँ भी जाके रहते हो, वो स्कूल भी आप सिलेक्ट करते हो, देन इट विल बी गुड. सो देर आर अदर स्कूल्स एज वेल इन डिफरेंट सिटीज़. सो आप काफ़ी कुछ आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा, सिटी, बजट एंड सो मैनी अदर स्टफ. So you go through with it, and if you have questions, you can definitely ask me. So guys, that's it for today, and I hope this was helpful. And some people have asked like पुराने videos में link नहीं है, link हर video में है related to the topic, तो आप check करिए. And yes guys, you're not like subscribing the channel. What the hell is going on? Like करो, share करो, subscribe करो, comment करो, follow करो Instagram, Facebook group join करो यार. मतलब क्या मतलब, मैंने आपको हैप्पी न्यू ईयर नहीं बोला तो आप मतलब सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे क्या? सब्सक्राइब करो. ओके, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, बोंजूर, चाओ, टाटा, टेक केयर, एंड फालतू में बाहर मत घूमो प्लीज़. कोरोना बहुत ज़्यादा कोरोना है फ्रांस में, तो हालत ख़राब होने वाली है. तो सब अपना ध्यान रखो यार प्लीज़. चाओ.